Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your beautician and your favorite host Gulali Ki Afridi at my show Beauty Parlor only on Bypass TV. Bypass TV क्या है? Bypass TV basically सबसे पहला शॉपिंग चैनल है पाकिस्तान का जहां ना तो आप सिर्फ खरीदते हैं चीज़ें बल्कि देख के खरीद सकते हैं बिल्कुल. And we give you all the knowledge, the tips and tricks. So for today we have a very cool topic for you guys, which is salon nails at home for beginners. Yes, so all those girls who love getting their nails done after every 2-3 days. They love refreshing their nail paint or their nails and this and that. हम आपको सिखाएंगे कि ये सब आप घर पे कैसे कर सकते हो. Exactly. So you guys, I'm going to show you some really cool products जिससे आपका एक nail look will get so easy, and step by step मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी how to do some professional nails at home. इसके लिए आपको nail technician होने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है. If you're a beginner और आपको basic से nail techniques आते हैं या बिल्कुल भी नहीं आते हैं, no worries. You can achieve that look by staying home with very simple products. Anyways, और मेरे साथ हैं मेरी प्यारी सी मॉडल जिनकी आज मैं nails करूँगी, and she was very concerned about her nails, and उनकी nail color chip हो रही थी, and she wanted a nice look, a nice and bougie fancy look for her nails. So let's start her process. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great, Safina. What would you like for your nails today?
Something really fun and cool.
Okay.
Something like really bougie and
nice.
interesting. Yeah.
So you like long nails?
Yeah, I like long
And
nails.
do you like diamantes or ombre?
Ombre I would prefer.
You would prefer ombre?
Because it's kind of really trendy these days.
Yeah, definitely. And ombre look is I feel like very cool as well. And a little tough to achieve as well. So I think that's why most of the girls go to the salon to get it, right? But no worries, मैं आपको exactly same चीज़ आपको दिखाऊंगी कि आप घर पे कैसे कर सकते हो. So let's start our process. So first, because her nails are a little faded now. Yeah, they're chipped and they're faded. So I really need to give a clean look to this.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to get rid of this color for you.
Let me remove these first.
Yes, please. You can remove your jewelry.
Okay.
आपको इसके लिए कुछ extra चीज़ें required नहीं है. This one little product will do all the job. So हमारे पास Swiss Miss के nail polish remover wipes हैं. Yes, you don't need an extra cotton pad. You don't need a separate bowl to do all of that stuff. But आपके ये एक wipes जो हैं, ये एक ही wipe will work in removing your nail paint, which is so cool. आपको extra किसी भी चीज़ की need नहीं है. आप अपना सिर्फ box लें, उसको खोलें, and you will find a lot of wipes in it. इसमें 10 wipes होते हैं इस box के अंदर, and इसका seller Swiss Miss है. इसके प्रोडक्ट आईडी और इसकी QR कोड भी आपके स्क्रीन पे आ रहा होगा गाइज. यू कैन easily buy it from our Bypass app, and this is how it is. आपने अपनी साशा खोला, and I'm just going to take it out from here. You guys have to see, one wipe will just do the job. आपको एक्स्ट्रा वाइप्स खोलने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको एक्स्ट्रा किसी चीज़ की नीड नहीं है. नो कॉटन पैड्स नीडेड, नथिंग. वाओ, लुक एट दैट. जैसे हमारे मेकअप वाइप्स होते हैं, दिस इज लिटरली डूइंग दैट जॉब, और इवन बेटर. एक वाइप में ही ये सारी नेल पेंट आपकी उतार देगी.
And it's kind of really interesting.
I know, right?
You can carry it easily in your bag.
Very easy. And
don't need to carry those big bottles.
Literally you can just carry this in your bag also, and simply do that. Here we go. No extra time required, no extra effort required. आपने डब्बा खोला, Sasha,
definitely
you just unbox the whole thing, and there you go. अभी भी इसमें there's so much left. Like I've only used one side of it. और अभी भी मेरे पास पूरा पड़ा हुआ है as it is, but we don't have any more nail paint to remove, so I think we're good with this. So guys, you can see I have thoroughly removed all her nail paint, and this looks fresh already. But for that, if you want such quick thing in your life, तो आप इसको परचेज करें। हमारी बाईपास की ऐप को आप डाउनलोड करें अपने फ़ोन्स पे। इसका QR कोड आपके इस वक्त स्क्रीन पे मौजूद है। आप या तो इसको स्कैन करके ख़रीद सकते हो, या तो आप इसकी प्रोडक्ट आईडी जो है हमारी बाईपास की ऐप पे ऊपर सर्च पे आप इसकी प्रोडक्ट आईडी टाइप करेंगे, आप ईज़िली वहाँ से भी इसको परचेज़ कर सकते हैं इन केस यू डोंट और यू कांट scan the QR code. Also one more thing guys, हर city के अलग अलग prices होते हैं, so the prices may vary. If you're in Lahore, that'll be different than someone living in Karachi, so that's one thing. Apart from that, you will get whatever you're seeing right now. आपको यही मिलेगा और आप इसी को अपने घर पे यूज़ कर सकते हो। Anyways guys, so मैं जब तक इनके नेल्स की एनालाइज कर रही हूँ, आप जब तक छोटा सा एक ब्रेक लेकर आए। वेलकम फ्रॉम द ब्रेक टू योर फेवरेट ब्यूटी पार्लर। हम सफीना के नेल्स हमने क्लीन कर लिए हैं, एंड नाउ वी आर गोना प्रोसीड टुवर्ड्स द अदर स्टेप, विच इज हम अब इनके नेल्स तो हमने क्लीन कर लिए, अब हम इनके हाथ भी प्रॉपरली क्लीन करेंगे और एक फ्रेश लुक देंगे, ताकि सिर्फ नेल्स नहीं बल्कि हाथ भी थोड़े अच्छे लगें, थोड़े नहीं, काफ़ी अच्छे लगें। Anyways, so let me introduce you to my holy grail kit that is going to do wonders while आप घर पे बैठे बैठे अपने कर सकोगे, everything. Anyways, so I have this really cool kit by Swiss Natural, and this is basically a mani and manicure pedicure की kit है ये, not just mani but pedicure as well. तो आप घर पे बैठे सिर्फ मैनिक्योर नहीं बल्कि आप पेडिक्योर भी कर सकते हो। गाइस, इसके सेलर हैं SK Cosmetics। आप इसको ईजिली परचेज कर सकते हैं थ्रू आवर बाईपास ऐप। आप अपना फ़ोन निकालें और हमारी बाईपास ऐप को डाउनलोड करें एंड क्विकली स्कैन द QR कोड फॉर दिस अमेजिंग मैनिक्योर पेडिक्योर ट्रीटमेंट किट। हाँ जी, इसमें आपको 7 प्रोडक्ट्स एक ही किट में मिलते हैं, जो आप बस घर बैठे बैठे अपना पूरा मैनी पेडी कर सकते हैं। नॉट ओनली मैनिक्योर बट pedicure as well, you guys. This is going to treat your hands and nails, your feet as well, and it's going to give that relaxation effect. It's going to clean your hands and feet. एक अच्छी treatment है basically आपके लिए। आपको extra किसी medicated salon या mani pedis करवाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। This will do its job while you're sitting at home. So let me open and show you. Step by step इसमें हमारे पास 7 products हैं। Let me show you guys. This is how it looks. Looks super cool. इसमें हमारे पास scrubs की variation है, हमारे पास lotion, hand and feet soaking, हमारे पास lotions हैं, we have hand lotions, we have hand and nail polish as well. Hand and foot polish भी है इसमें हमारे पास included. There are scrubs, lotions, creams, everything you need for a good mani-pedi. So let's start our process. I'm going to first get a bowl of water here, and I'm going to soak हम इसका hand and feet soaking liquid है हमारे पास, which I'm going to put some of it in here. आप थोड़ा बहुत इसको, this will give a very nice and fresh feel to the hand. Okay. Okay, Safina, you can dip your hands and your nails inside. This will give you a little relaxation. I'll keep it closer to you. How do you feel? Feels very cool
Yeah, it's
and refreshing, right?
Right.
It's really gonna help you relax yourself. जब आप ऐसी चीज़ें कर रहे होते हो घर पे guys, make sure कि आप उसकी वो vibe भी दो और आप relax भी feel करो जैसे हम salons में usually feel करते हैं. So this kit is really gonna make you feel like that. It's going to give you that feels of being in a salon while you're just home and you don't have to do anything. Anyways guys, so after this, now that she has soaked her nails, I am now going to use the scrub we have from this. इसमें हैंड स्क्रब है हमारा, इतनी बॉटल है, हमारे पास जार है छोटी सी, which has a lot of product, not only you know something कि ये बस इतना है, but it has a lot of product in it, and I'm just going to use this much for one hand first, and I'm going to scrub her hand. मैंने barely प्रोडक्ट निकाला है और आप वो देख सकते हो पूरे हाथ पे easily कवर हो चुका है. आपको एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्ट निकालने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. A little will go a long way for you.
And this will remove the dead skin as well,
It is
right?
going. This is why it's really going to exfoliate your hands and remove the dead skin or any dirt. Your tan. Mostly
exactly,
what happens is when you travel, you come back with a tan, or even if you don't travel, you're driving or you're going out.
Because face की protection तो SPF से हो जाती है, but you don't really apply SPF
anything on your hands.
Yeah.
And people definitely skip that step. So what are your favorite colors for nail paint?
So I go for nude colors.
Mostly?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't like
lovely.
dark colors on the nails.
But since it's autumn now, I feel like we
the
should.
reds.
Yeah, we should do something darker and nicer that way.
We can always experiment.
Yeah, 100%. Okay, you can dip your hand in this, and I'm going to. मैं आपको literally दिखा रही हूँ guys, मैं कितना लूँगी. मैं सिर्फ एक swipe में मैंने अपना सारा प्रोडक्ट निकाल लिया है और आप देख सकते हो एक स्वाइप से ही देयर इज सो मच प्रोडक्ट. मैंने barely कुछ प्रोडक्ट लिया एंड दैट इज आल्सो क्वाइट अ लॉट फॉर अ हैंड.
So how often should we take the manicure?
I think at least once a week is good, or once in 15 days.
15 days.
Yeah, so twice a month is something that should be normal.
And what about
Minimum,
जो
I
nails
would
वगैरह से हो जाते हैं, you do house chores and you travel.
Yeah, definitely. When you're doing all those house chores and stuff, with that, we always have our nails chipped. या काफी दफा लोग की थोड़ी सी बुरी आदत भी होती है कि जब when they're not attentive, they're scraping their nails or they're eating their nails. A lot of people have biting issue as well for nails. So we should always be careful. And I think that's one reason why mostly people go to salons, because they're biting nails and they're doing all of that. So that's that.
But this kit will help, कि जो लोग घर पे हैं तो वो easily अपना manicure घर पे कर सकते हैं.
Definitely, this kit is for that one. This is for girls who are working or who are school going, or they don't have time, or like even जो घर बैठी खवातीन होती हैं, वो उनके लिए बाहर जाना is very difficult. 100%.
Time manage करना है all
The
of
best
that.
part is this kit also has a foot and elbow key balm, which will not only help you sleep easily at night, but will also आपकी जो हमारे elbows और जो dark हो जाते हैं या थोड़ा सा pigmentation आ जाती है, this will help in that as well. It is going to give you the relaxation to sleep well at night, but it is also going to help you with your pigmentation. So our scrub is done. Now I'm going to use a hand lotion. Okay, you can get rid of this. Okay, great. Now that I've dried your hands, I want to lock in some moisture for your hand.
Yes.
And for that, I have a really cool hand lotion. It is very thick and creamy texture to it. It has a citrusy, smell also to it. If you can smell, it's super.
Oh, it's
it smells
heavenly.
like oranges,
Yeah.
you know. Okay.
और I guess vitamin C भी है तो
इसमें
इसमें
vitamin C है,
yeah,
yes.
brighten up the
It's going to seal some moisture. Okay, इसको मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा निकाल लिया है, but इससे कम ही लगाना चाहिए वैसे तो, because काफ़ी creamy है already. We don't have to use extra product for that. Okay, let me just massage this onto your hand. Okay, gee, I'm just going to lock in all that moisture. So your hand also feels super soft when you're getting nice nails, you know.
और ये काफी easily absorb भी हो गया
Easy. ये वो extra, I don't have to like constantly, you know,
massage
it and do all of that to dry it out.
And it's not greasy at all.
No, it's not. It has a very thick texture because of which, you know, आपको इतना extra इस पे you don't have to put in efforts also. Guys, इस पूरी किट की QR कोड आपके स्क्रीन पे मौजूद है इस वक्त. Quickly take off your phones, download our bypass app and purchase it. इसकी अगर आपको स्कैन नहीं कर सकते हो आप या you don't want to scan or whatever, you can also easily search the product ID. वो भी आपकी स्क्रीन पे इस वक्त मौजूद है. आप उसको भी सर्च पे लिख के you can directly buy this product. This kit actually, this big kit. ये SK Cosmetics की है and has amazing results as you can see. एक quick brightening effect भी दे दी है, एक moisture भी आ गया है. उनके hands and nails are completely clean after this process. Get to the another step. I'm gonna take a short quick break. Welcome back to Beauty Parlor, guys. आपने जैसा देखा मैंने इनके previous उसमें मैंने इनके nails clean किए by our amazing nail wipes. Then I also have this amazing kit जिससे मैंने इनके स्क्रबिंग की हाथों की और मैंने इनके मसाज क्रीम लोशन से जो है आई लॉक्ड द मॉइस्चर इन. आपके सिर्फ नेल्स नहीं बल्कि आपके हाथों को भी अच्छा लगना चाहिए. सो विद दैट बीइंग सेड वी आर नाउ गोइंग टू प्रोसीड टुवर्ड्स द नेल्स. अब हम इनके नेल केयर स्टार्ट करेंगे. विद दैट आवर फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट फॉर नेल्स विल बी दिस अमेजिंग OPI फाइलर जो कि डुअल है और इसके सेलर हैं WS Beauty. I'll open this and I'll show you guys. This is the product. एक बहुत amazing filer है जो I think everybody needs in their life. Having you know unshaped nails and bad nails, उससे बेहतर है कि आप एक filer रखें अपने साथ always and always have good nails. So I'm going to file her nails. आप यहाँ से देख सकते हो थोड़ा सा एक bump है इनके. Yes, there is a little uneven. I'm going to just even her nails out by easily filing her nails. Okay, मैं ज़्यादा length को नहीं. I want to, you know, I'm not going to touch the length a lot, but I'm going to shape your nails. I'm going to even it out.
फिलहाल कौन से fingers पे square nails, almond shape और long nails अच्छे लगते हैं?
I think for square, girls like me who have like broader
nails.
Yeah. और if you ever notice कि mostly क्या होता है कि आपके nails की एक natural shape भी होती है.
Yeah.
For me, it is square naturally. For you, you have like round already. You know.
Yeah.
Is it easy for you to type with the long thumbnails? I always make sure that I cut my thumbnails and then do
That's
the
why
rest.
I've gotten it.
Oh, one. Okay, you have one.
So I can
Okay.
type easily.
Easy, yeah, exactly. When you have longer thumbnails, it's just so harder to type. Okay, so now since it's filed, मैं क्योंकि मैंने इनको moisturize किया था इनके हाथों को, and I want to also apply some really fancy nails for her. उससे पहले मैं इनके nails को थोड़ा सा dry करूँगी, इनके nail bed को by lightly filing it from the top. मैं इनकी जो बेस है इनके नेल बेड जो है उसको मैं थोड़ा सा ड्राई करूँगी एक वो मॉइस्चर इफेक्ट उतार के, क्योंकि फिर उसमें मोस्टली क्या होता है कि ग्लू भी नहीं चिपक रही होती है. So I'm just going to do that. Lightly मैं इसका moisture finish करके nails से इसको proper dry effect दे दिया है मैंने अब उसको. Now I'm going to show you guys something really pretty and super cool. We have O2O Cosmetics nails, which is so cool. ये आप देख सकते हैं ये 24 reusable nails की kit है हमारे पास. And this kit includes a jelly glue, stick, and nail filer and alcohol pads. इनके सेलर हैं AM Traders और आपको इस स्पेसिफिक किट की आपके पास आपके स्क्रीन पे QR कोड भी मौजूद है और आपको इसका प्रोडक्ट ID भी आपके पास आ रही होगी. यू कैन ईजली बाय दिस फ्रॉम आवर बाईपास ऐप और आपको यही मिलेगा जो दिख रहा है सब वही दिखेगा. Wow, look at that.
The nail
looks yeah.
pretty.
I chose this for you because you wanted an ombre look and it also has some glittery effect to it. Has gold diamantes as well. Perfect for fall. You know, you wanted to try something new. We got you something
perfect.
new. You love it, right?
Yep,
I love it too. So guys, ये आप easily buy कर सकते हो bypass की app से. So take out your phone and quickly buy it. जब तक मैं इनके nails stick करती हूँ.
This looks so cool.
I know, right?
You can wear it to the party.
Literally, this is like
a festive season aa raha hai, so you can wear it anywhere.
You're going to easily just chop the lid off it, and once you've done that, aapki glue will look something like this. There'll be a hole there. So before you use the glue and get on the nail, सबसे पहले आप अपने nails choose करेंगे और उसको shape. You're going to put it on the nail. Try it out. Can I get your thumb first? And see कि ये fit हो भी रहा है या नहीं. Once you have an idea of this, then you can proceed towards applying it. I think this is the perfect size. Yeah, this is the perfect size. So either आप अपने nail पे directly glue लगा लें या तो जो nail आप use करेंगे उस पे लगा दें. Okay, there we go. मैंने थोड़ी सी glue निकाल ली है. ये जेली फॉर्म में है. दिस इज़ नॉट लिक्विडी सो दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट कि जो बंदा आपको लगा के दे रहा है या अगर आप खुद भी लगा रही हैं तो आपके हाथ नहीं गंदे होंगे. मोस्टली क्या होता है दैट ग्लूज आर सो लिक्विडी दैट दे आर लिटरली ब्लीडिंग एंड ड्रिपिंग फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर और आपके अपने हाथों पे भी चिपचिप हुआ होता है
और फिर वो दूसरे नेल्स के ऊपर भी लग जाती है.
इट्स वेरी डिस्गस्टिंग दैट वे. एंड इसका उतारने का भी बहुत इजी वे है. मुझे मेरी ब्राइड्स हमेशा पूछती हैं कि हमारे नेल्स नहीं उतर रहे हैं और हमने पूरी रात ट्राई किया है या नमाज पढ़नी है. बहुत लोगों का क्या होता है कि वो जस्ट अप्लाइड फॉर द इवेंट पर उनको उतारना भी होता है. तो इसका इजी वे इसको उतारने का यही है कि आप एक बोल लेंगे, गर्म पानी उसमें डालेंगे, नॉट वेरी गर्म बट जो हमारा मैनी पेडी का जितना टेम्परेचर होता है पानी का आप वो लेंगे. And you're going to soak your nails or your hand in that bowl for at least good 5 minutes at least. वो एक दफ़ा जब आपके हाथ आपको feel होगा कि now they're getting a little soft, तो वो eventually खुद ही आपके nails बाहर आ जाएंगे. So इतनी कोई डरने की बात नहीं है. अगर आपका दिल भर जाता है for instance एक दिन में या 2 दिन में, although they last for at least a week or 2, if you apply it well, तो ये आपके काफ़ी लंबा लास्ट करते हैं. मेरी एक ब्राइड थी जिसकी लिटरली 2 weeks तक नहीं उतरे ये नेल्स एंड शी वाज सो वरीड बट देन आई टोल्ड हर द हैक व्हिच वाज कि आप पानी के बोल में डिप कर लें और वो इजीली फिर बाहर आ गए. वो बेचारी वाज ट्राइंग टू टेक इट ऑफ बट इट वाज हर्टिंग बिकॉज़ इट्स सो टाइटली
sticked on.
Yeah, they're sticked very tightly. को थोड़ी देर प्रेस रखेंगे.
गुलाली शेप क्या कहलाएगा?
This is the stiletto shape, the one I said would look cool on you.
Okay.
इससे क्या होता है आपके हाथ भी लंबे लगते हैं, और आपके
elongated feel आएगा.
Yes, it will give you that elongated feel. For someone who has small hands, you do have small hands. I also have like small hands, but then I have wide hands. You have like super, petite and pretty nails like that. So this looks super cool on you. एक edgy or एक look के लिए you can do this. Yeah, and if you want that classy effect, then you can get French nails done, or you can get like those pastel colors done, वो भी will look cute on you, I feel. But I wanted to do something different for you.
Yep.
So you have the feels of a salon as well. You know,
Yeah.
that you were at a salon and you did that. So guys, her nails
It's
are
done.
ready and her salon nails are actually ready. So I think she can go buy some matcha, do her Pilates and wear wear some nice
away.
gym wear and
Yes.
do all
Travel
that a
nails
girl
done.
loves. So this gives a very Instagrammable feeling to
Yes,
her nails.
Pinteresty
You guys
vibe.
can see. Literally Pinteresty vibe, So हमारे पास बहुत अमेजिंग नेल्स अवेलेबल है हमारे बाईपास की ऐप पे. आप जाके डाउनलोड करें हमारी ऐप को और हमारी सारी अमेजिंग वैरायटी देखें नेल्स और सारी चीज़ों की. So guys, I hope you guys liked our episode for today. And like I told you, aftercare आपकी बहुत simple है. Just be attentive with your nails. उसको scratch मत करें या scrape मत करें. There's a possibility कि आप उसका glitter या उसकी diamantes आप उतार सकते हो. वैसे तो they're very tightly, stick to it. But for, nice effect also, and for a longer fresher effect, just make sure you eat with utensils and आप spoons और forks का सब चीज़ों का आप use करें and आप ज़्यादा जो है तेल वाली चीज़ों को थोड़ा सा avoid करें. So
Yes.
you can't be very messy with these nails, but you can look super cool with these
with it.
nails. Yes. I hope you like your nails.
I love it. This looks so good.
You guys
So
can
fun and so
see
cool.
This is so pretty. Okay, so guys, our salon nails are done for today. I'm going to catch you guys again with a new query and with the new tips and tricks for you guys. Stay tuned for Beauty Parlour. Bye.
Bye bye.